What is up YouTube? Welcome to the first ever video on the Mad Designer YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to create digital painting in Photoshop the simplest way possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is select your desired photo and make sure it is of high resolution. The first and the most important part is to select the new layer and then press I key and it will select this color picker tool, which would allow you to pick the perfect color of the skin. Then you should zoom in more and more as possible, which would allow you to do a detailed painting. And here comes the most easy part. Select the brush tool and paint the part which you have selected with the color picker tool. You should concentrate hard and change the color whenever the skin has a little change in the color, and always use the mixer brush tool, which allows you to mix the color and also give depth to the painting. You can also use the smudge tool, but mixer brush is better. Press the I tool on the target layer and you can see it is working perfectly. Mixing the facial hair is also a very important part. You can slowly increase or decrease the wetness according to the situation. The difficult part of the body in digital painting is always the lid size, nose and ears, so I will keep that for the last moment. You can use different layers for different part of the body, for example face, neck, clothes, but then you cannot use the mixer brush tool, so I suggest you to use one single layer. However, you can use smudge tool. Apart from the face, other parts are usually very simple, but don't forget to change the color pick after each and every small change in the color. The depth generated will look insanely beautiful. You should always select the target layer and see whether the layer is good or not. You will always observe some patches which you should fill as shown in the video. I know I messed up a long time. The mistake I did here was the image was not a very high resolution, which made it quite difficult to draw the eyes. So what I did here was to cut the eyes with the HEL of lasso tool from the target layer and fix it perfectly on our second layer. As lips and ears are the next most important and difficult part, trace the lips with the help of lasso tool and press enter, then the color you fill will not get out of the space you provided. The most easy parts are the clothes, but keep changing the color with the picker tool, which will allow you to give depth to the painting. I did skip some part of the video as I don't want to bore my viewers on my first video, but the steps are same. And here you go. This is how you can do digital painting in Photoshop. I know it's not that professional, but it's also not that bad. So the most important things are to select a high resolution image. Always try for a 4K image and keep changing the colors for depth. I hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.